Hello, hello. Welcome. Today I am going to talk about the index function paired with conditional formatting. So I use the index function with conditional formatting to cross off tasks as they get checked off, just like this. Simple enough in practice, but the index formula is a little trickier to understand than something like equals $A1 equals true. It took me a second to wrap my head around it, so let's walk through it. At its core, index says go look in this range of cells, find the value of a specific cell, and then when you pair that with conditional formatting, which runs on true-false logic to decide whether or not to apply formatting, you can say, hey, go find the checkboxes in the spreadsheet, and if one of them is checked, which Sheets reads as true, apply a strikethrough or whatever formatting you want. So maybe that makes sense to you, maybe it doesn't. Regardless, let's just build it. So I've got a fresh sheet here, and we're going to go to Format, Conditional Formatting. So first we want to select the range of cells that we want to apply the formatting to. So since I want my task text to get crossed out and turn gray, I need to select all the cells where tasks actually appear, but not the checkboxes. So I'm going to click on this little spreadsheet icon here, and then I'm going to select all of these cells where I can add tasks, and I'm going to add another range because I've got some additional spots. Select those two and click OK. Under the Format Rules, Format Cells If, we're going to go all the way down, click on that drop-down box, Custom Formula Is, and then we're going to enter our index formula. So we'll start with equals, index, open our parentheses, and this is going to depend on your data, what your data looks like, how big your spreadsheet is. So I want Sheets to check all of my spreadsheet. So I'm going to type in $A, that's my first column, and then another $, and then my final column here, which then, and then I'm going to press comma. I'm going to type in row, put parentheses, another comma, put column, parentheses again, -1. And I'm going to close it up. All right, so let's break that down. So the A through N, those columns, that's the area that we want Sheets to search. So we just want Sheets to search the whole sheet, every row from column A to column N. And again, this is going to look different in your spreadsheet. But I just to be safe, I like to select the whole thing, or at least all of the areas that I know my tasks are going to be in. And then the row and column information, that tells Sheets to look one column to the left of whatever cell it's currently evaluating in a particular row. So as Sheets is looking at this cell, it's seeing one column to the left. It's found a checkbox. It's not checked off, so it's not formatted. But if it was checked off, formatting would be applied. So let's update our formatting style here. So I don't want it to fill, but I do want it to turn gray and have a strike through. And I'm going to click done. And then let's check off some tasks. And now we can see that our task is crossed off. So there you go. If you're interested in a weekly to-do list spreadsheet that has this formatting already built in, you can check out the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.